at Sahastradhara with Raghav, and today we're going to explore this little region. So basically this is like a small touristy area near Dehradun, and look where we're staying. We're staying right by the river, and this is one of the most beautiful locations that I've been to yet. Surprisingly, I don't know what reason, we both never came here, even though we used to hang out in Dehradun all the time since last 2 years. But we recently came here, and we're in love with this place. It needs a bit of government's help for tourism, but let's show you around. So this is the place we're staying at, DK Himalaya Guest, and I highly recommend coming here. Let me show you the room and give you a quick room tour. There's like a pretty garden over here, lots of parking space, lots of rooms, clean rooms. So when you first enter, you'll have 2 beds, blankets, dustbin, water, side tables, switches, and a really nice and clean, decent washroom. Okay, so our first stop is?
The first stop is Shiv Mandir. We're going to Shiv Mandir and Dronacharya ki Gufa.
So I'll just show you the temple complex in a second, but I can't show you the caves because they're from inside the temple and filming inside is not allowed. But yeah, the legend says that Dronacharya meditated in those caves, and hence the name.
To the top, there's a small hike from the temple that you can take to come up the top and enjoy this beautiful view.
From the top you can also see the village. This whole area is the Sahastradhara village, and there's also a water park, though it's clearly not operational. I hope so, it is in summer. I would love to come here again. And then there's the stream, and now we're on our way to the ropeway, which I am the most excited for because I love heights. Kahan ja rahe hum next?
Next,
ropeway.
We can go to where? We can either go to take the ropeway and go up and see the temple and so many other things up there, or we can just go by the stream.
Ropeway.
Okay, so ropeway it is.
people will try to sell you tickets for the ropeway on the streets, but you can come directly to this main kiosk and buy your ticket from here. This place is totally empty, not totally, but yeah, there's nothing working. There's a toy train, उसमें बैठने में मज़ा आता है पर चल ही नहीं रही है. And what else? There's a small restaurant and I can't figure out what that is. It's a temple slash no clue. And the view is amazing though. The views are really nice.
So we are back from the ropeway and going to our last destination of the day, which is the stream itself.